Riri wigiririku wa ruhonge rwa borithi uthiite na mbere gwikirirwo nganja makiria kurumirira borithi kuhuthira hinya mukiruku kung'ethanira mirurungano ya mbeu njithi. Riu kamiti ya kunyabara uruti wira wa maabitha a borithi IPOA niiranire guthuthuria ciiko cia uragani, nguraro kana kunyitwo migwate iria ciandikithitio na kamiti iyo. Kuringana na MUIKARIRI wa kamiti iyo ISAACK HASSAN, gutire cira no mwote guthuthurio kihinyo niguo gutigirira KIHOTO nikionekana.
Almost all the cases that we're handling are from protests, and so the only thing I can assure you is to give you my assurance as chairman of IPOA that we are going to be true to our oaths, to be independent, to be impartial, and to ensure that there is justice for the victims or families of those who are unlawfully killed by the police. That assurance I can give you.
Niongerire kugona thengia ya mihinga kihirire gumeire kamiti iyo ari ne hamwe na unyihu wa maabitha gutafania uthuthuria nginyanagia riu ni marikitie guthuthuria macira kihiri na kiria gitigarite na itua ria mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi.
We need to have a government and a country that respects the rule of law and human rights. Please feel assured to work with IPOA and give support to investigations. If you have got any fear about revenge or any pushback from the police, we have the Witness Protection Agency.
Okaidini okawi ikundi cia kuhuranira ihoto cia umundu ni ciukirire thirikari ikiuga niyo iracogera maabitha a borithi kuhuthira hinya mukiruku riria marang'ethanira na arurungani ona thengia wa gukorwo Kenya mari na kihoto gia gigatiba gia kururungana.
Recall of statements by Murkomen to shoot to kill, and we are here celebrating. The president said we should be shot in the legs. He has not recalled those statements. So we must, from the political level, think critically on how we want to go forward with such people.
Riu ni morite IPOA ikirire KIHOTO na waragania uthuthuri-ini wayo guku naguo muingi ukiurio ndukaguoyohio niguo kugitira bururi ndukahaguke makiria.
Without the dangerous work of human rights defenders, this country can easily fall back into a dictatorship. So we owe them a lot of thanks for their courage, for their dedication and their commitment to ensure that we hold the government accountable.
56 million Kenyans will not be protected by 15 human rights organizations that are members of Missing Voices or members of the Police Reforms Working Group. It will take a responsive human rights state, but more importantly, it will take you here, not Gen Z, but Gen Zote. Not Gen Z, but Gender Zote. It needs everybody to take this as a personal obligation.
Atongoria ya mararagia hindi ya kigomano gia kwaraniria na family cia andu aria manyitirwo migwate na angi makiuragwo mwena wa gicua-ini kwa ihinda ria hakuhi miaka 10 mihituku na KIHOTO gitire kionekana.
MC, huyu ni Rapid Response Officer.